growing up as kids, we see like all these burgers and hot dogs, and then we couldn't eat the hamburger because it's not halal. Our whole play on this was to make classic American food, but make it halal so everyone can enjoy it. Oh yeah, I'm Mo.
Hey Mo.
Nice to
Ali,
meet you.
nice to meet you.
Ali.
Come around, we'll have them open up for you.
This is where all the secrets are. Right?
Secrets. This right here, Sheldon, these are our patties. We get them all done every morning.
Your own unique blend.
Own unique blend, own marinade, 100% halal beef. We use this our spicy mayo that we make here, and then this is the tasty sauce.
I mean, this is a burger spot in a gas station. You guys not holding back.
We do everything fresh ingredients every day.
All right, we're gonna do the burger that got you guys the trophy.
Yes, we're doing the nacho burger. Onions, jalapenos. 100% halal beef patty. This burger has 3 different kinds of cheese on it. Pepper jack, Swiss. We get our jalapenos and our grilled onions on there. American, that holds it all together. Because it's halal, we have to use beef bacon.
You got nacho cheese at the bottom. Then the whole nacho part, you gotta get the crunch. This is my favorite part of the burger. Perfect burger right there.
The championship trophy for right
Yes,
there.
sir.
Yeah.
We beat 20 restaurants out
Yeah.
with Doritos on a burger. Out of a gas station.
All right.
Detroit, one of the most diverse cities like in Michigan.
Yeah. You've been here your whole life?
I've been here my whole life,
Yeah.
born and raised here.
Born and raised.
So is Ali. Both our fathers, came from Lebanon. They came, they learned, they work hard, and
They built a good work ethic for us.
they always say, "Oh, we came with nothing. We did
Yeah.
this. You guys had everything. What are you gonna do now?" So
now we gotta make it a little bigger.
now we gotta keep going. We gotta take it up to the next level. We get a special cut of steak just for us that's shredded down. It's also marinated. We cook it only on Wednesdays.
Your grandfather came here from.
Came here from Lebanon to work at Ford, and then he just one day he couldn't take it, so he started working at a couple gas stations, and then he bought 1, bought 2, and started a little empire on his own.
Ali's dad actually got my dad his first job at one of the gas stations. My dad came with like $50 in his pocket, couldn't speak the language, had to learn English. It was pretty cool how all their hard work, giving us good lives, and like
Chance to do the same thing.
this guy was 21 at the time, but I'm telling you, straight business genius. For real.
My man.
For real.
At that time, you was going to culinary school.
Yep. He actually texted me. He said, "You want to just, let's partner up. Let's do it together." I still remember the text I sent him. I was like, "Let's build our burger empire."
People are driving from different states like North Carolina or Ohio that have like high Muslim populations, and they'll even come eat here just because they know Tasty's has really good halal food.
This is the champion. This is
the champ
this is
burger
the
right
one
there.
that you guys are known for. There's a lot going on in there.
Oh yeah, a lot of flavor in it.
But it all makes sense. You know it's good when it gets all over your face too. Then you get the spice and then the crunch. It's like a big fondue on top
Yeah.
of it. And then the beef bacon.
You like that beef bacon?
I never had that before. West Coast fries. Top it off with nacho cheese, that tasty sauce made from like unicorn tears.
It's top secret.
And I've been hearing you're in Detroit, you gotta do a Coney Island. And this is the tasty style.
Yep.
Oh yeah. And this is based on like a cheesesteak.
And that one sells out every Wednesday.
Beefy, but it has that spice blend to it. You can see why it sells out, bro.
A lot of people were like, "What? I'm not gonna go eat in a gas station."
Yeah.
But then they come in, they're like, "Wow, okay." Being able to pump out this kind of volume, this kind of quality of food from the station, has really been
Yeah, it's been
really
amazing.
been awesome, and we put pride into what we do.
There's nothing more American than a
Burger
burger.
and a hot
Than
dog.
a burger and a hot dog,
exactly.
French fries. Building a spot for the community.
Being able to give them classic American food that they can actually eat and trust is
In
halal.
the heart of Detroit. I know that behind that too is a family that's kind of instilled those values in you
Oh yeah.
too.
My mom for
Yeah.
sure, 100%.
Mom's behind the counter.
No,
Look
she's
at
the
that.
The
best.
Tasty's
Yeah.
mom.
Tasty's mom right there. She's the big boss.
Yeah.
It's a whole family environment. You'll catch my grandpa coming in yelling at me, my dad checking up on me too.
Now you guys got Detroit's back.
Oh, it's true. And I think Detroit as a whole too, because a lot of times big names fail here. You see a lot of, small businesses, a lot of people who are running their own businesses, like Tasty's.
I applaud you guys. Your work ethic goes straight into the product, man.
Like the chicken, it's the best chicken in the whole town. That's what the people say.
We put a little bit mustard, so we cook it like high. When we're done with that,